Everyone. Today I would like to introduce a GPT-based assistant that I developed to support my career growth, especially for job seekers and anyone who wants to change their careers. So this assistant is designed with a clear mission to make the job search and interview preparation process more smooth, faster, and smarter. It will support the users in 4 different ways. So firstly, it will help to identify the most recent and relevant job postings based on the customized preference of users, such as location, skills, and seniority level. Second, it provides resume improvement suggestions. So users can upload their resumes, and the assistant will give tailored feedback to improve the clarity, impact, and alignment with job descriptions. And thirdly, it helps to prepare for both technical and non-technical behavior questions by generating the potential questions and generating the sample answers, which are structured and effective. Finally, it offers the coding practice support. It can walk users through lead code problems, explain the solutions, and even simulate a coding interview environment. So let's try some real prompts and see what answers the GPT assistant gives. First of all, I wanted to answer to improve resume bullet point. Say I wanted to rewrite a bullet point worked on dashboard. And see what answers it gives. Okay, so it gives a few ways to make the presentation more strong. And so first it says real-time dashboard. Used some high-quality word like develop and maintain instead of worked. And second, it uses it describes how it supports the team, or it says it's user-friendly, or it says emphasizes collaboration. We can choose whatever perspective I want to emphasize. Let's also try a behavior question. Answer this behavior question. How to prioritize. Okay. It listed a few approaches I take when prioritizing tasks. And it also says what exact tool I use to make my work more structured. Okay, this is good, but I would like to include a specific example. Can you include a specific example of the project? Okay. Okay, it adds more details into that. That is good. Let's try a lead code question. Walk me through lead code problem to sum. In this answer, it emphasizes the problem statement, gives the input and output, and some test cases. It also listed the brute force solution as well as the optimized solution using HashMap. Okay, and it also listed key takeaways like what data structure is used, what edge cases should I check. This pattern is in many interview questions. Okay, it listed some related questions like sorted to sum or three sum, which shows its ability to connect different problems. Okay, now let's move on to how should we customize this ChatGPT to better suit our personal style and professional needs. So we go to the Customize GPT tab. It asks, what should GPT call you? So I let him know that I want to be called JZ, which is the initials of the two members of our team. I also want let him know that I'm a quantitative analyst. Then it asks, what traits should GPT have? I said encouraging and concise, because sometimes I feel AI is giving too lengthy answers that people are very hard to follow. So I prefer it to give more bullet point style style answers. And finally, it asks anything else that I want the GPT to know about me. I said I wanted to make some career change. So I'm expecting it to give some, when giving answers, is more from the quant developer perspective. Okay, let's talk about the strengths and weaknesses of this GPT tool. The greatest strength I feel is about it being very informative. It always gives comprehensive and well-structured answers very quickly. Whether it's answering a job description or rewriting a resume bullet point or walking me through a coding problem, the assistant always answers very swiftly and with a lot of useful detail. Another strength is being very flexible. You can ask it anything, from technical questions to career dilemmas and career changes. It always gives the tailored help. However, there is a big weakness, which I feel is about the memory. I have actually uploaded my resume and feed it about my background, my career profile. But if I ask him the repeated question like, do you know my career profile? I don't think he is going to remember that. Yeah. He just cannot remember whatever I already feed, but keeps asking me the same question whenever each time I open this chat box. So I feel this is the biggest challenging I'm facing at this time point. I'm hoping it to be fixed in the future, because ideally a version that can remember my profile with secure can provide more customized help in the long run. Yeah, this is pretty much about today's presentation. Thank you for watching.